Today I have a Pan 9 in 2019 project update. Hey guys, it's April and welcome back to my channel. Before I get started this video, I just want to let you guys know to subscribe to my channel down below. It would really help my channel out a lot. I am trying to get to 2,000 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my progress on my Pan 9 in 2019 project. So basically this is like a beauty project where you take like 9 different beauty supplies, or even 19 in some cases. I decided to just stick with 9 that you don't typically pan out all the time, and try to pan those out throughout the year 2019. So my biggest update for the month of August was that I finished up my mini Benefit Hoola bronzer. I have been working on this for a while now. It took me a little over half a year to pan it out. This is the mini version, I should add. This works really good. I ended up repurchasing it, so I do have it on currently. I love this bronzer. It's amazing, and I'd definitely buy it again. Up next, this one had some progress too. This is the Clinique blush in the shade Sunset Glow. It's really pretty. I've been using it for like several months now, and it will not pan, which is really bugging me, but there's definitely like a big dip in it, so I know I'm getting like good use out of it. Plus I'm applying it 1, sometimes 2 times a day, and I wear it every single day, so I'm just kind of waiting till it hits pan. I'm not necessarily sure if I am gonna finish this up by the end of the year, and so to top that off, I don't think I'll ever reach for my NARS Orgasm blush before the end of the year either, which is kind of a bummer, but it's okay. I'll just use this in 2020. So this one has maybe been used once. This was like the mini birthday version, so it's really tiny and so cute and adorable. I really wanted to use this, but I guess I won't be using it most likely because I don't know if I'll be able to finish this up by the end of the year. There's just so much product left in it still. Hopefully when I hit pan, it's like a really big pan, but I don't know exactly how all that works. I haven't panned like that many blushes to like know how big it will pan, but it has such a big dip in it. I feel like once I hit pan, it will like kind of become a big pan really quickly. Up next, I'm just gonna be honest, I did not touch this all month long. I say this every month. I'm gonna try to remind myself to wear this more often, but this is the Alternative Rock Volume 1 Shadow Fard, and this is really pretty. This is in the shade Take It for Granted. It's just a beautiful granite color, and I am gonna try to use this more. And then my last 2 products, because I have already emptied out 3 plus the one that I just emptied out today. So we are down to 5 products, but the last 2 are the Fresh Sugar Polish lip scrub, and then the matching Fresh Sugar Nourishing Lip Balm Advanced Therapy. I did not touch these this month, but I know that I definitely will finish these up by the end of the year because it is about to start getting cold finally. And I do have a lot of product used up in them already, so I'm not worried about these at all. Plus, like, you know, once chapped lip season comes around, which like I said is very soon, I'll definitely have these used up by the end of the year. So that is it for my little Project Pan 9 in 2019 update. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day. Bye!